Battery Guyz.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing, ma'am?
I'm okay. How are you?
Doing pretty good. How can I help you?
I was trying to find out how much is the battery for a Malibu 10?
2010 Chevy Malibu?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Hold on for 1 second. Let's get it for you here. How do you hear about us, ma'am?
My mother got a battery from you all.
Okay, cool. You got the 2.4 liter or the 3.6? Do you have the 4-cylinder or the V6?
I think it's a V6.
The V6?
I think it's a 6, yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's see here now. We do not have it available today, ma'am, but we will have it available tomorrow, though.
I gotta get one today because I don't know how long this battery gonna last. We gonna start.
Yeah, you need a H4. Hold on for 1 second. Let me put you hold for 1 second. It's showing like you need a 96 or let me see, H5. Let me see. You hold for 1 second. Put you hold for 1 second, ma'am. Yeah, unfortunately, man, we sold the last one this morning. But if you wait till tomorrow, I can save you $100 on that battery though. $80 plus tax with a 1-year warranty with a trade-in. I don't know if you're calling around anywhere else, but that battery retails about $200 though.
Oh yeah, I know. I done bought a battery before.
Yep. So yeah,
Okay.
yeah, like I said, we have it in stock for you tomorrow. $80 plus tax with a 1-year warranty, or a 2-year warranty for $100 plus tax. Yeah, just bring the old battery. So out the door, for example, for a 1-year warranty out the door with the old battery exchange, ma'am, you're looking at $91 total for a 1 year, and for a 2-year, it'll be $112.49 for a 2-year.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
All right. Thank you.
Battery Guyz.
Hey, do you guys sell like pallet quantities of your automotive reconditioned batteries?
We do.
You do? Okay. I'm a battery distributor here in central Illinois, and I've been selling the heck. I usually make my own reconditioned batteries. I can't keep up, so I've been kind of looking around, and I found you guys. What's your price point on like a pallet program?
I have to get you a price on that. The guy who's in charge of that, he's out for the week. We'll be back Monday. He on vacation.
Okay.
Did you send over a submission or anything like that on our website that you wanted some battery code?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah, I sent you
Okay.
guys an email last week. Yeah, and I
What's
hadn't
it?
heard back, so I thought I'd
All right.
just kind of
Let me see. Hold on for 1 second. Let me see. Hold on for 1 second.
Is this Al?
Yeah, this is Al. Yes, it is. Yes.
Oh, hey, man. No, I just want to say, like, I'm just a manager here, man, but I got an entrepreneurial spirit, and I just want to say, you know, from one person to another, I think it's really damn cool what you've done, man. I think it's awesome.
Appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. Definitely appreciate that.
In your store and everything. Yeah, man, for
Okay.
sure. I love seeing stuff like that.
Thank you, man. Okay, I got you, Josh. Right, Josh Blue.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, yep. I printed it out right here for you. I got it right here, buddy. Yep. We got you on the list to give you a call, to get you a quote and everything. You say you need about 2 pallets, you said?
Yeah, I usually buy 2 pallets at a time.
Okay.
Is what I do. But, I mean, the freight might be a little bit more coming from you, so I might want to buy another pallet to cost average it out a little bit better.
Okay.
If the price
Well,
is right. But,
I mean,
yeah, man, we'll see
okay.
what you got.
Okay, sure will, Josh. We'll hit you back. It'll probably be first beginning of next week.
All right, that's fine. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, as y'all can see, right? We got people all around the country calling, looking for batteries, pallets of batteries. We even got interstate batteries, what they normally do with, you know, the interstate been around for like 50 plus years. You know, they're, you know, with the green top batteries or whatever, as you can see. But we are known as the best in the world for reconditioning batteries. You guys, ain't nobody gonna give you a 2-year warranty on a battery like we do. So if you're looking for a pallet of batteries, either for, you know, automotives, truck batteries, make sure you jump over to our website and hit the wholesale tab and send us an email, and we'll get you some information. Okay, Battery Guyz.
Yeah. Do y'all buy junk batteries?
Yes, sir. We sure do.
Okay. How do y'all buy them? By the pound?
No, we buy it like the size of the battery. If it's car batteries, are $5. What else do you have?
Okay, I have a little bit of everything. I have some like equipment batteries, like 31s.
31s are $6 a piece.
And then I have some car batteries and motorcycle batteries.
Car batteries $5. Motorcycle batteries are $1.
Okay. And is there a limit to how many I can bring?
You can bring them.
all day?
To 5 o'clock.
Thursday and Friday?
We're to 5 o'clock, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.
Okay. All right, that's what I need to know. I appreciate it.
Thank you.